Hey, what's up? It's your boy G Kid, back at it again with another one. What we got popping on in this video today for you? I got a couple things to get done today, so y'all just gonna join me. Let's get it popping. Honestly, first thing I gotta do, we just got hit with a snowstorm yesterday in upstate New York, so I gotta shovel this. Ain't nobody in the mood to be shoveling all that. Gotta get it done though. Start that time lapse. Look at this huge pile of snow. Look at this. This is my leg. Comes all the way up to my knee. Finally done shoveling all this snow. Feels so good just to lay down. Anyways, let's get that cold start popping. Anyways, let's go continue with the day. And that's just the day-to-day of what's happening at the shop when it's a lot of snow. Now you see why we hate the snow so much. God. Hair's cut, that's all done. Stay tuned for the next video. I got something so fly coming for y'all. I've been wanting to introduce you guys to this for a long time now. So definitely make sure you watch the next video. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Anyways, peace.